കഴിഞ്ഞ നൂറ്റാണ്ടിലെ സാധാരണ പാഠ്യപദ്ധതി പാടെ മാറിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ആധുനിക ലോകത്തിന്റെ ആവശ്യകതകൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കി കുട്ടികളെ അതിനെ പ്രാപ്തരാക്കുന്ന പാഠ്യപദ്ധതികളാണ് നമുക്കിന്ന് ആവശ്യം. അറിവ് സ്വായത്തമാക്കുന്നതിന്റെ അടിസ്ഥാന ശിലകൾ ഭാഷാ നിപുണതയിലും സംഖ്യാവബോധത്തിലുമാണെന്ന് എസ് ചന്ദ്ര ഗ്രൂപ്പ് സിഇഒ അമിത് ഗുപ്ത പറഞ്ഞു.
In 21st century, the way education has to transform, it is very important. What has to happen is that we do not have to think the way we learnt in our times. If I went to school, say 40 years back, it was totally different than what the school is today. So when we as a, I would say a policy maker, as a principal or as a teacher, look at the way learning has to transform, we have to understand the needs of 21st century. We have to understand that the child learns differently. We have to change our mindsets. And I think if we support technology and integrate it rightly, integration rightly is a very, very important issue, then everyone is a winner.
പാഠ്യപുസ്തകങ്ങളിലെ വസ്തുതകൾ നേരിട്ട് മനസ്സിലാക്കാൻ ലേണിംഗ് പോലുള്ള ആധുനിക പാഠ്യപദ്ധതികൾ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ സഹായിക്കുമെന്നും പുതിയ തലങ്ങളിലേക്ക് അവരെ നയിക്കാൻ ഇത്തരം പഠനരീതി വഴി സാധിക്കുമെന്നും അദ്ദേഹം പറഞ്ഞു.
What has happened is that a lot of state governments today are feeling that if they have to take education across the state, the schools and the books cannot be the only method to provide quality and uniform education. Especially in state of Uttarakhand, there are a lot of schools which are in difficult hilly terrain, and it is very difficult to have teachers there permanently. It is very difficult for quality of education which is required. So state thought that if you provide software, so what is happening is what is available to some children in Dehradun in terms of resources is also available to a child in a district near a Himalayan town. So for quality of education and uniformity in education, e-learning has played a major role. Similarly, if you look at Jharkhand, the Jharkhand government also feels that they have such a diverse terrain. So to give quality education, they have to do blended learning. And we submitted our request to the government, and it was a very tough decision with the government. But I think at the end of it, both government and us are happy after implementing this project there. Indian market right now is confused because what is happening is that we still are living in the world of CDs. So what happens is that anything which can be replicated and someone is putting some picture and singing a song for a 5 years old child, we feel that we are giving e-learning. Whereas the material which is developed for e-learning is very complex. It has to be age relevant, it has to be class relevant, it has to be based on the school's quality of education. I feel that it will take another year or two before the market will consolidate and people will understand what is quality, what is not quality. But in terms of Kerala, I feel that there is a demand only for quality software. And Kerala as a state, Kerala government has done a lot of work in e-learning, which is I would say one of the best practices in India. In fact, the e-learning initiative by the government of Kerala is something which other states are trying to also work on. Only thing what I feel is that there is a public-private partnership kind of a model which should happen, because there is so much of money and research, as I told you about Harcourt also. We should bring that benefit, work it with the state of Kerala, and create intellectual property for state of Kerala. So that is my idea of a partnership. I feel that there is a tremendous opportunity of blended learning in Kerala, because I traveled, I would say very limited in southern part of Kerala, but I saw a lot of engineering colleges, I saw a lot of schools all around the state, and I feel that blended learning can propagate education, and e-learning especially can propagate education much faster in Kerala. And Kerala is always, I feel, being a highly literate state, has a definite advantage of using these kind of softwares, and I would say further improving the quality of education in the state.
ചെലവ് കുറഞ്ഞ ഇത്തരം പാഠ്യപദ്ധതികൾ കൂടുതൽ സ്കൂളുകളിലേക്കും കോളേജുകളിലേക്കും വ്യാപിപ്പിക്കണമെന്നും അമിത് ഗുപ്ത കൂട്ടിച്ചേർത്തു. അമൃത ന്യൂസ്, കൊച്ചി.